Stop. Before you offer that first bite to your 6-month-old, you need to hear this. Starting solids the wrong way can lead to gas, food rejection, or long-term feeding struggles. Today on Lazy Toddler Parenting, we're sharing the safest, science-backed way to begin solids, a method trusted by pediatric experts worldwide. This isn't just about food. It's about your baby's brain, digestion, and future eating habits. Point 1. Safety comes first. Always. Your baby's kidneys are still immature. That means no salt, no sugar, and absolutely no honey. But the most important rule of all is the 3-day rule. Introduce only one new food for 3 full days. This helps you spot allergies, rashes, vomiting, or digestive issues before they become serious. Slow is not weak, slow is smart. Point 2. Texture matters more than taste. At 6 months, your baby is learning how to swallow. Food should be silky, smooth, and slightly runny. Thick or lumpy food can cause gagging and create fear around eating. A simple trick: mix the food with a little breast milk or formula. The familiar taste builds comfort and makes your baby more willing to try. Point 3. The SMART sequence. Start with iron-rich foods like oats or rice mash. Iron is one of the most critical nutrients for brain development at this stage. After a few days, introduce gentle fruits like steamed apple or pear. Then comes the powerful food most parents underestimate: mashed avocado. It's rich in healthy fats that support rapid brain growth and nervous system development. Point 4. Think in quality, not quantity. Your goal is not to fill the stomach. Your goal is to nourish the brain and protect digestion. Skip heavy, processed cereals. Choose natural, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, grains, and soft pulses. The best time to feed is mid-morning, when your baby is alert and you have the whole day to observe their response. Starting solids is not a race. It's a foundation for your child's lifelong relationship with food. Go slow. Stay consistent. Watch your baby, not the calendar. Because in the first year, how you feed matters more than how much you feed. If this helped you, follow Lazy Toddler Parenting for more science-backed baby care tips. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and like this video so you never miss an important parenting guide.